This is an OKK MC 520. It's a 1985 vertical machining center with, as you can see, dual spindles right here. The X travel is 36 to 40 inch. The Y travel is 16 to 20, and the Z travel is 21 by 25 inch. The high-speed spindle RPM is 3000 to 3500 RPM, and as you can see, it's an OKK. We are here in Houston, the OKK dealer, and this was a trade-in for a new vertical machining center, Japan Machine Tools. We have 8 engineers on staff who check all the machines that they are in good working condition. It comes with an automatic tool changer on both sides, 30 ATC, and this unit is in good working condition. We invite you to contact us at our phone number, which is on this video clip, and if you're interested, you contact us to make us an offer. Contact Bob at Japan Machine Tools. Now we also have, in addition to this OKK, we have quite a few other used trade-in machines. This is another OKK right here. This is the vertical machining center, and then we have Karaki. I will make a separate video clip about the Karaki. It's a vertical machining center, and then we have also an